Hiya, my name is Morgan Thomas and I am playing the character of George. George is a kid who likes to write, who likes to make up worlds, who likes to sometimes escape from his reality within the words. He's probably a bit geeky, probably a bit not the first person to be chosen in the football team or any team, I'm not sure. And yeah, I think I can relate to George in lots of ways. Yeah, I like George a lot.
I'm Chris Hoskins and I'm playing Sid, or Sydney. He's the older of the three, I think. Bit of a leader, likes to get the boys to go on his crazy adventures, mostly dangerous adventures. Yeah, he's a bit of a Jack the Lad, I guess. Thinks he has a way with the ladies, and gives George a lot of stick about his poems and his you know, namby-pamby writing. And then kind of just gets Dan to do all the things he doesn't want to do, you know, climb up the most dangerous fences and you know, it's kind of almost like a sidekick, but yeah, a bit of a dumb sidekick, to be honest. And yeah, sorry, over to you.
My name's Jack Quick. I play Dan, who is George's best friend and Sydney's best friend, but I think there's more of a closeness between George and Dan, but he inspires to be Sid, so he does everything that Sid tells him because he really wants to be like him. He wants the women like he has when he's older. Yes, Dan's a bit stupid, so which is quite easy for me to play as I've had a lot of experience. And it's also nice that, as you said, we do all his stories and we get to dress up as women.
Yeah.
Nice.